Tarsier Studios is no stranger to invading our dreams. Its Little Nightmare series' disturbing gameplay has lived long in memory, and now its Reanimal is ready to pull us in another intense co-op experience. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. You begin alone in the Black Waters as the boy. As you walk towards a distant red light, you'll encounter a masked figure who's someone from the past, but that's not a friendly reunion. When he rescues a masked figure from the sea, she immediately tries to strangle him. She's his sister. Welcome to Reanimal. From there, the nightmare only grows. A shattered island is full of abandoned factories, scary forests, collapsing cities, and waterlogged workshops. Even everyday places like gas stations, playground rides, washing machines feel deeply wrong. Tarsier is best at turning the ordinary into pure dread. Stories told mostly without words. The tension is built through haunting visuals, clever camera angles, and unsettling sound design instead. Music is rare. Door creaks, distant jingles, and sudden crashes will do the job. One ice cream van melody will be enough to send chills down your spine. Survival depends on teamwork. You can play with a friend or rely on sharp AI as an helper to boost each other across gaps, solve environmental puzzles, and escape monstrous threats. There's almost no combat, just desperate escapes, clever problem solving, and cinematic chase scenes that'll keep your pulse high. Expect major death traps and runaway vans, shadowy theaters, and secrets hidden in the dark. It's creepy, clever, and it's Reanimal. The game is coming on February 13th on PS5, and you might want to give it a shot. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.